In this video, I will show you step by step how I make $15,250 in commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I will share with you guys my method. I will share with you step by step how we can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how we can create an affiliate account like this one. I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest and so much more, okay? And just by using free traffic, I made this commission just in one single month in the month of March, okay? So I will select this one from the first day, okay, from the first day of March until the last day of March 31, okay. I will click on update, and here you go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard, okay. It's not screenshot, guys, okay. And so for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, just follow those steps and let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? With Fiverr. So just come to this page and scroll down. Go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money, okay? So you can check this website and you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, okay? And choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose which services are trending or which products are trending on Pinterest that you will promote, okay? You cannot promote any services or any products. You need to choose to choose what's trending, what people are searching for on Pinterest, okay? So first, you will go to Google and you will search for Pinterest, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and Pinterest, it's super easy, and you need to open a business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account, okay? So after you finish, this will be your home page, okay? And you should have an account like this one, okay? And why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, okay? That's really a lot of traffic, guys. You can get so much traffic for free if you do it correctly, okay? 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. A lot of people every single day are searching for specific services or products on Pinterest, okay? So what you will do, you will go back. So after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest account, after you create your Pinterest account and make sure to open a business account, go back to Google, okay, and search again for Pinterest trend, okay? Search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here, okay? It's super easy. So you have here country. Choose which country you want to target. If you want to target United States, you can choose United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, and so on, okay? I will choose United States. I will scroll down and you have here top trends in United States this month, okay? So those are the products and services that people are searching for on Pinterest. Those are the topics that are trending. I will click over here to see if I can find some services that will be that are trending. Okay, so we have here a color dinner ideas. I will keep, so just keep clicking here. You have wallpaper. Let me see, we have here place dinner recipe. Okay, let's see if we can find a good one. Esther, this one. Nail ideas, outfit, wallpaper background. Let's check this one. Wallpaper background. I will click on this keyword. Okay, I will scroll down. I will click over here on date and select just past 3 months. And as you can see, this one is trending in this month. Okay, Pinterest trend in United States. This topic is trending. Okay, wallpaper background. If you scroll down, you have here related trends. You have more uh, keyword that are trending on Pinterest. Okay, dark wallpaper. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this keyword. Okay, this keyword is trending. I will go back to Fiverr. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search and I will search for this keyword, wallpaper. Okay, I will click on the search and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr who create a wallpaper background. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to choose a good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. And I'm not promoting any services, I'm choosing what's trending on Pinterest. Okay, and this one is trending. Wallpaper backgrounds are trending, as you can see over here. It's trending. People searching for this one in United States. Okay, and if you scroll down, like I said, you have more keyword here that you can check. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr and I search for wallpaper. I will scroll down and I will choose good seller. So for example, let's see if we can find good one. This one looking good. This one even looks really good. This one is top rated seller. Okay, I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links and click over here and put this seller profile link here and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, okay? And click over here on home feed. Click on create pin. And here you go. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page. Click on his picture. Okay? Double click and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save image. I will name it wallpaper. Save. Okay, go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, this is my picture. Open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. You need title, description and your affiliate link. Let's go back to Fiverr, to this seller profile page. Copy his title like this. Go to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, you have here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, you can copy this part. I will copy this one like this, and they will go to Pinterest and they will put this description here, scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan, you can copy this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, you can copy this one. It's almost the same. Go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board, and if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose, for example, this one. So you have here tags. You need to put here keywords. So how we can find those keywords? Go back to Pinterest trend, scroll down, copy this one first. I will copy this one and scroll down. You have here related trends. Copy those keywords: screen wallpaper, this one, HD wallpaper, dark wallpaper. Copy all those keywords. Go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay. After you finish, click on publish. Okay. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, and that's it. That's how we can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how we can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, it's super easy. Go to Pinterest trend, see what's trending, what people are searching for. Go back to Fiverr, search for services related to those topics, start promoting those services on Pinterest that are trending, and you will start making commission. Okay, that's it. This is the method that I'm using, and that's it. You need to stay consistent, and you need to keep doing more research, see what's trending, go to Fiverr like I said, search for those services related to those topics that are trending, and start promoting those products. And you don't need to target just don't focus just on United States. Okay, so go to Pinterest trend. You can also choose like Canada, see what's trending on Canada, Italy, check what's trending on Italy, Spain, and so on. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'm working on a course that will be launched very soon. Okay, in my website. I'm working on this course about affiliate marketing that will cover everything about affiliate marketing. Okay, also those methods that I'm sharing with you guys, they are working. Okay, I'm making money with those methods. Okay, and I'm sharing with you almost everything. Okay, how we can choose trending services or products, how we can use free traffic, how we can promote those products or services on Pinterest, and so much more. And for free, just using free traffic. I'm not just using Pinterest, I'm using YouTube, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using Instagram, I'm using Quora, I'm using, and so much more. A lot of websites and getting just free traffic. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested to see more methods and more topics like this, just comment affiliate marketing and I will make more videos like this, guys, and I will share with you a lot of profitable products or services that you can promote as an affiliate marketer and start making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, and see you in my next video.